Happy Science. Today we're going to be making elephant toothpaste. So in here we have a quarter of dish soap and half a cup of hydrogen peroxide. So yeah, we're just going to put 2 drops of this in. 1.
That's probably enough.
Now we're just going to kind of stir it. In here is some hot water and some yeast. We're going to put some red in here.
Okay, just 1 drop in there. Yep, good.
Just gonna kind of stir this. Now should I put this in? And now I'm just gonna kind of move this right here. We're gonna pour this in. There. And we're gonna pour some yeast and hot water in.
Okay, very carefully. Okay, let's see what happens.
Whee! Elephant toothpaste.
There's our elephant toothpaste.
It does actually kind of feel like toothpaste.
Can you move your hand so we can see?
It feels so fluffy. It feels like a lot like toothpaste if you feel it like. Wee, 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 wee. And if you want, you can wash your hands in it, but hey, it kind of is like a rainbow, kind of like red, yellow, blue. Red, yellow, green, blue, and a little bit of purple, but not that much. Kind of looks like unicorn hair down here. Like, it's so fun. Bye.